Former President Donald Trump's hush money trial continued Monday with his former lawyer and fixer, attorney Michael Cohen, back on the stand. Last week, defense attorney Todd Blanche questioned Cohen for hours, portraying him as a serial liar who cannot be believed. This morning, the president arrived saying he's being missed on the campaign trail.
I'm not allowed to have anything to do with politics because I'm sitting in a very freezing cold courtroom for the last 4 weeks. It's very unfair.
Trump is accused of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records stemming from the $130,000 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels to keep quiet during the 2016 presidential election. He has pleaded not guilty. The prosecution is expected to rest its case once Cohen is off the stand later today. Then it will be up to the defense.
And for the defense, I think they're going to want what's called a default instruction, which says if you find that a witness has lied about one thing, you may conclude that the witness is lying about everything.
But the defense is not obligated to call any witnesses.
It's better to sit down, shut up, and not call any witnesses.
The former president has said he wants to testify, but his lawyers have not said yet if he will. If he does not take the stand, the only witness the defense may call is Brad Smith, an election law expert and former chairman of the Federal Election Commission, who is expected to testify that the payments to Stormy Daniels were personal and not related to Trump's campaign. If Smith takes the stand, he will be limited on what he can say. Closing arguments in this case are set for next week. At Manhattan Criminal Court, I'm Eric Shawn, Fox 32 Chicago. Sylvia, back to you.